If you're thinking about getting green status on Cash App, the main thing to understand is that it's not something you buy, it's something you qualify for based on how you use the app. Green status is essentially a rewards tier for active users. To unlock it for the month, you typically need to either spend around $500 using your Cash App card or Cash App Pay, or receive at least $300 in qualifying direct deposits. Once you hit one of those thresholds, the app upgrades you automatically, and you gain access to added perks like better savings, interest rates, higher borrowing limits where available, overdraft coverage, free in network, ATM withdrawals, and priority support. The real question isn't whether it's worth it, but whether you already meet the activity naturally. If you're regularly using Cash App for everyday spending or direct deposits, green status becomes a free bonus with extra benefits. But if you rarely use the app, there's no real advantage in changing your spending habits just to qualify.